In this tutorial, we'll show you how to disable security alerts on Messenger for your PC. Let's get started. First, open facebook.com in your web browser. Once the site loads, locate your profile picture on the left side of the screen. Click on it and select Settings and Privacy. Next, choose Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your account settings. Now navigate to the Security and Login section. Click on it to access security settings related to your account. Within the security settings, find the option for Login Alerts. Click on the Edit button next to it to customize your alert preferences. To turn off login alerts, simply toggle the switch or follow the prompts provided on the screen. Once you've made the desired changes, don't forget to save them. This ensures that your settings are updated and the security alerts are disabled. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your security preferences on Messenger and tailor the alerts to suit your needs. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to turn off security alerts on Messenger for your PC. Take control of your security settings with these easy-to-follow instructions.